To follow these directions to get Demarcus logged in to the STAR 360 test. So in this email, you're going to click on the blue live link. It'll bring you to this screen here. You'll click on I am a student. And then you're going to type in his username, which is this 7-digit number, 2400326. And then his password is going to be his first name in all capital letters, followed by the number 326 with no spaces. Click log in, and then you will have the prompts to take the test. So when you're ready to take the reading test, you'll click right here, and it'll take you into the test to complete. When you're finished with that, you'll come back to this screen and you'll be able to click take a math test and complete that test as well. You don't need to worry about this one in the middle, just the reading test and the math test. So just to show you, when you click on it, it's going to ask you who to send it to. You can click either of these teachers and click next. It'll prompt you to click start when you're ready. So you'll click start, and then it'll take you through a couple of sample questions and you'll be able to begin the test.